Hey guys, I want to show you a glitch that I've been wanting to see, and I knew that there was probably a way to do it, but nobody had figured it out yet. Well, it's finally been figured out, and this is how to have unlimited Free Fire specialists. And a big shout out to Weedman55. So this glitch only works on Prologue at this time, and it only works with the Free Fire. It's actually really easy to do, and all you have to do is go into Prologue and then get through that cutscene where you're like crawling on the ground, and then you'll finally end up inside the house. Once you're in there, you should be able to grab the MP40 off the wall very quickly, and you just want to start killing zombies and filling up that meter for the Free Fire. If you want to open up the mystery box location and use a gun out of there, you certainly can. The next thing you want to do is make sure you have enough money to buy Quick Revive. It's only 500 points, so once you have your Free Fire meter completely filled up, you want to come up to the Quick Revive machine. This next part is just a little bit about timing, and it's not that difficult. What you want to do is buy the Quick Revive, and as soon as you hold like activate, X or square to buy it, you want to immediately trigger the Free Fire. So you're going to buy the Quick Revive, and as your hand is like going into the animation, you want to really quickly activate the Free Fire with your left and right buttons. If you do it correctly, what's going to happen is the Free Fire meter bar is going to start to deplete, but you're going to notice that your gun does not have the Free Fire ability on it. And when the Free Fire ability is active is when you have that really bright yellow muzzle flash coming out of the gun. So you don't want this. If you've got no muzzle flash, then yes, you've done that step correctly. The next thing you want to do is fill up the Free Fire meter bar again, so wait for it to completely deplete and then kill zombies and completely fill up the Free Fire meter bar again. Once it's completely full, you want to get downed by a zombie, and what you want to do is maybe just save one zombie and really watch closely. He's going to hit you 1, 2, and then 3 times. And right as he's hitting you on that third time, you want to activate that Free Fire with the left and right button as you're getting downed. If you do it correctly, you're going to revive, obviously, because you have Quick Revive, and you're not going to have any of the Free Fire meter filled, but you're going to have unlimited Free Fire ability now on your gun. This will stay permanently as long as you don't activate Free Fire again or get downed. If you get downed or activate the Free Fire, you're going to have to start over with the glitch. You are able to buy Quick Revive again. You can also buy armor. You can also hit the box, get any gun out of the box, and they're all going to have the Free Fire ability, and also the one gun on the wall will give you Free Fire as well. I think it's just the MP40 that's downstairs. The Free Fire is just basically unlimited ammo for any weapon. It doesn't make the gun any stronger. It just means that you no longer have to reload. So like the GPMG is amazing because that thing has to reload all the time. Well, with this glitch, it doesn't. The shotguns are amazing as well. I showed the toggle earlier. Also, the Prologue map does not have the Easter egg where you can pack-a-punch all of the guns in the box. So every gun on this map is just a regular weapon. You have one perk and the armor machine, and that's it. This glitch can certainly help people unlock the Mountaineer secret character, and that's where you have to go to wave like 20, 25, don't take downs, and don't open the mystery box room. People are saying that this glitch only works on the Prologue map. It doesn't work on Grossed House, Final Reich, or Darkest Shore, but that's not something I'm 100% on. There might be a way to get it to work. If we find a way, I will definitely let you guys know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.